Hello friends, I hope you have watched episodes 1 and 2, which were about introduction of the problem of obesity and an initial attempt to discover a solution to this problem. In this episode, we will have a bird's eye view of the causes of obesity. This will also give us an idea about the types of obesity based on various causative factors. Of course, as usual, the mission remains the same. Mission, fat to fit. This slide shows our roadmap displaying various sections we are going to cover in this enigmatic journey. I had mentioned in the last episode that we will begin the actual action-packed journey in third episode. But as an afterthought, I considered that an overview of causes is important for us to understand the rationale of steps we are going to take to become fit. I am extremely sorry for this mistake and I sincerely apologize for this. For a practical purpose, I find it appropriate to classify obesity into two varieties. First one is the uncommon variety, which here is more suited for academic purposes only. The second one is the common variety, which is the obesity of our concern. All our future episodes and the action suggested in them will be about this variety only. Unless mentioned otherwise, leptin is a hormone discovered in 1994. Though mention of its role in the common type of obesity will keep reappearing in our journey, it is important to convey here that study of various mutations in the genes related to leptin and its pathways have given us newer and vital insights into our today's understanding of obesity. Few other genetic syndromes worth a mention are the PRADER-WILLI syndrome, Lawrence-Moon-BIEDL syndrome, Elstrom syndrome, Cohen syndrome, and Carpenter's syndrome. There are certain specific, mainly non-genetic syndromes and states which deserve a mention here, namely Cushing syndrome, insulinoma, hypothyroidism, hypothalamic dysfunction, and polycystic ovarian disease, or often popularly called as PCOD. As this is a common disorder, it deserves a separate detailed episode in future. Recently, this entity is frequently discussed in common households. It is impossible not to point out the role of commonly prescribed medicines as an important cause of obesity. This knowledge becomes all the more important in the case of few over-the-counter medicines. Now, let us open the Pandora's box of the causes of obesity of our concern. It is no less than a very complicated and difficult jigsaw puzzle. If we try to study the relation of each cause on another cause, and finally how they influence development and sustenance of obesity, the puzzle becomes more mind-boggling. Even if we remove the jigsaw pieces from the background, we still get a figure which hardly seems to make any sense or to give us any useful information. The closest we can get is listing the various causes and simply stating these are the various factors which influence the development of obesity. The obvious question here is, can we simplify this further and classify various causes of obesity? And can this classification be used to formulate an effective universal strategy to treat obesity? The answer is a big yes, we can. And exactly how are we going to do this? We are going to do this with the help of this beautiful road in the Koli Hills in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. Wow, what an awesome curvaceous downhill road it is. This road has 70 consecutive hairpin curves. Believe it or not, this road is going to guide us on our path to Nirvana. So, please join and follow me in the next episode. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching and may nature God bless you all.